morning, children. This is Jyotia. I am here to teach you SST on behalf of Jyoti Academy, class 3rd and chapter 1, that is our body parts. Children, yesterday we have learnt about different parts of our body like legs, arms, and neck. Okay, and we also learned about the different types of our exercises. Today we also read the chapter and understand it. Okay, so let's start. Chest and abdomen. Children, upper parts of our body comprises of chest and abdomen. Upper part. Children, upper parts of our body comprises means include. Okay, comprises of chest and abdomen. We all know chest and abdomen's a part of your body below the chest that contains the stomach. Okay, important body organ like lungs and heart inside our chest are covered with the rib cage. Okay, important body organ like lungs and heart. Children, lungs and heart are very important parts of our body, and lungs help us to breathe and heart help us to circulate the blood all over the body. And these are very soft part of our body, so it covered with the rib cage inside our chest. Okay, our rib cage protect both the lungs and heart. Children, this rib cage protects both the organ, that is lungs and heart. The soft part below the rib cage is abdomen. Okay, the soft part below the rib cage is called abdomen. The main part of our digestive system, that is liver, stomach and intestine, are in it. In picture you are seeing, this is the liver and this is the stomach and this is our small intestine and big intestine. Okay, bones and muscle. Next is bones and muscles. Bones are hard part in human body. Children, we all have bones in our hands, legs, nose. So we can feel them in our forehead, nose, ribs, elbows and knees. Children, we can feel our bones in all over the body like nose, head, ribs, elbows and knees. Okay, and next is they give shape to our body. Children, our bones give us the structure to our body. Okay, so they give shape to our body. Bones protect the both inner parts of our body. Muscle joins the bones to each other. Bones protect the soft inner parts of our body. Children, our body have so many soft organs like heart, lungs, kidney, liver, intestine, etc. So bones protect. Bone protect. Bone help us to keep safe the soft body organ. Okay, bones protect the soft inner parts of our body. Muscle join the bones to each other. Children, muscle joins the bones to each other. Every bones connected with each other by muscle. Okay, muscles are fleshy bundle in the body. Children, muscles are fleshy bundle. It made up of flesh. is made up by fleshy, so this is called fleshy bundles in our body are called muscles. Okay, muscles are fleshy bundles in the body. They help us to run, walk, swim and move. Muscles help us to run, walk, swim and move. We would not be able to stand, chew or even lick without muscles. Children, we cannot do anything without muscles. We cannot stand without muscles, we cannot chew without muscles, we cannot lick without muscles. So, muscles are very important part of our body. Okay? In picture you are seeing the muscles, and muscles are present all over the human body. Okay? Let's start the exercise. Multiple choice question. Tick the correct answer. Limbs are divided into blank part. 3, 2, 4. Children, limbs are divided into two parts, upper parts and lower. So we will take the option B, two parts. Which language do we speak with our hand? Children, deaf and dumb use sign language with the hands. So we will take the option A, sign language. Okay. What gives shape to our body? Children's, what give us shape to our body? I told you that bones give us the shape to our body. So we will take the bones and muscle. Option C. Option C, bones and muscles. This is all about today, and remaining exercises we will solve tomorrow, and whatever I told you, revise it at your home. Okay? Thank you.